So in this video, we will see how to remove all data from a database table in phpMyAdmin. So we will go to a database table from this database. So we will use this transaction table for this. And if we go to this transaction table, and we will see the existing data over this table, and we will manually remove all this existing data to make this fresh table. So for that we will need to go to this operation tab, and here in this bottom area we will see mm, three options for this. Number one is empty the table, number two empty the table, delete from, and delete the table. So if we empty the table truncate, this will just remove all the data, but the structure will be same. And if we delete the table, then the table itself whole will be deleted from the database. So we don't need to delete whole the table from the database. We just make it empty. So we just want to make it empty, so that we will use this empty truncate option for that. So if we click over here, and here is a warning message like, you are about to truncate a complete table. Do you really want to execute truncate? So if we enter OK, then it will empty all the data, but table will be structured. So we click OK, then the action is successful. Then if we browse this table, we will see the table that is as it is, but the data are removed. So this is how you can empty a table existing data, remove option. So you can empty a database table like in this way. So thank you.